Ano ba yung purpose ko, Lord? Bakit hindi pa ako nagkakaroon ng husband? Hey everyone! Welcome sa atong first episode sa atong Growing Season podcast. This is Jen and I will be your host for tonight. So in our first episode, akong i-share sa inyo why I chose Growing Season as the title for my vlog and also for my podcast. So this year, the reason for that is this year, I turned 28, and yes, 28 is almost 30. And then, I still had a lot of kong realizations sa life, especially when people keep on telling me that, uy, 28 na ka, when man ka magminyo, when man ka mag-have kids, and you have to have you have to decide now kasi mahihirapan kang mag-anak kapag ka nasa 30 ka na. And a lot of people telling me all of those things when I turned 28, no? And I saw my friends, classmates, childhood friends na neighbors na they really got married and also niabot sila sa point sa ilang life na plus star na sila. And I am so happy for them. Truly, happy pod ko para sa ila, seeing my friends figuring out their own lives. But, of course, dili na ko wala sa akong kaugalingon nga, yes, I'm already 28 and I'm not yet married, I'm still single. But, isa sa akong realization is that dili na ko mapugno ng other people to ask me all of those things because sometimes other people would also ask me out of concern lang po sila sa akuan na kanang I'm already 28 I'm not married yet, and I do understand that and I appreciate all those people nga concerned sa ako ang life. But then again, dili na ko mapugnan at some point, if ako na lang usa, ma-realize na ko nga oo no, tinuod, like, my God, I'm not yet married and I'm already 28. Hapit ako malapas sa kalendaryo. But, and I said to myself, like, instead of being pressured by the words of other people, dili pwede nga mag-rush na lang pud ko sa akong decision sa akong life just because other people are telling me to do all of these things. Dili pwede nga, sige, mag-go na lang pud ko, minyo na lang pud ko because, mo'y ingon sa other people, right? So, instead of being pressured, I'm going to use this time to grow. My waiting season will be my growing season. My pressured season will be my growing season. Na instead na ma-pressure sa other people's, may pressure sa other people, ma-pressure kung unsay gakakita na ako sa social media to other people around, why not i-use na ako ni nga time to just discover myself while I'm still here waiting for my time, for the perfect time nga para nagid sa ako, I'm going to use my waiting season as my growing season. I use this to discover myself more, to achieve all the things that I wanted to achieve, especially na right now I discover sa akong self na gusto pa din ako mag-learn how to play the violin. So I already enrolled to a violin lesson. And discover na ko na gusto pa din ako magbuhat og mga butang. Wala na ako nabuhat before. So, na-realize na ko na I still wanted to do vlogs, no? I still wanted to travel. So, I think my waiting season and my single season is also a blessing. So, that's why niyanak ko na I'm going to start vlogging and also I will start doing podcast. And my title for that is Growing Season. This Growing Season podcast and vlogs will be also, not just also for me, dili lang siya para sa ako, but also for those people nga naapod sa same situation like me, that they're also experiencing pressures in life, nga napod sila same sa ako ang age, especially nga others are already in their 30s, and sometimes other people, young men and women, are sharing out there na wala pa nila na figure out kung unsa gid nila lang gusto silang life. So maybe the time is not for you to figure it out. Maybe this time is for you to grow. Use the season to grow. Your waiting season should be your growing season. Wag mong hayaan yung sarili mo na ma-pressure na lang. But take the time to discover yourself, to discover your purpose, kung anong purpose ni Lord for you, kung ano talaga yung gusto mong path. It's the best time for you to grow. Again, brothers and sisters, your waiting season, your single season is your growing season. So let's grow together in this podcast, and you can also follow me in my Facebook account to grow with me, doing vlogs, discovering the things that I wanted to do in life while waiting, because your growing season is not a waiting room. Okay, your single season, your waiting season is not a waiting room. It is your growing season. Again, your growing season is not a waiting room. So yes, your waiting season is your growing season. It's time for you to grow. Your waiting season is not a waiting room. Hindi pwede yung nandyan ka lang naghihintay. Like, dito lang ako, nakaupo, maghihintay sa'yo, maghihintay sa kanya, maghihintay sa kung anong darating na opportunity for me, kung ano yung para sa akin. So, do not just wait. Do not just wait there. Use this time to really discover yourself, kung ano talaga yung gusto mo, kung meron ka pang gustong gawin sa buhay, kung naapakay gusto i-discover, napakay gusto mo maabot, 'di ba? So, use this time to just grow, develop yourself spiritually, mentally, emotionally, physically. Daghan pa kayo kag ma-discover sa imuhang self. So, take this time to, you know, ask yourself while waiting sa mga butang nga wala pa niabot sa ako ang life, what are the things that I can do? Kasi pwede na ako buhaton. Do I have to just rest? Kasi diba, minsan, yung growing naman, hindi naman siya necessary kung ano yung maidagdag mo sa sarili mo na, ay, kailangan ako'y maingon ana, kailangan ako'y maingon ana. Sometimes, resting is also growing. Yung naka-rest ka lang, and then ma-realize mo na, this is part of my growing season, to just allow myself to rest. To just allow myself na wala muna akong gagawin, uunahin ko muna yung sarili ko. Kasi may nabasa ako before, sabi niya, your growing season or growth, hindi naman siya palagi kung meron kang idadagdag sa sarili mo eh. Like, sometimes, growth takes a pause. Alam mo yun? Yung hindi necessary na kailangan kong magawa to, gusto kong gawin to, kailangan ma-achieve ko to, ng growth na yun. Minsan, some point of your life, growth really takes a pause. Okay? Kailangan, baka time mo din na mag-reflect na, okay, time ko munang mag-pause ngayon. Hindi muna ako gagawa ng something for myself. So, sometimes talaga, you just have to really look at yourself, sit down, and then ask yourself, what are the things na pwede kong gawin or hindi ko gawin that will help me grow as a person? So to all young women and men out there, if you are in that season like me right at this very moment, I'm telling you, use this time na hindi ma-pressure, but use this time to improve yourself, discover yourself, and be happy while waiting. Okay? Again, brothers and sisters, your waiting season is not a waiting room. This is your growing season. So grow with me in this podcast and my vlogs. You follow me on TikTok and on Facebook as well. So this is the first episode explaining to you why I chose growing season as the title for my vlog and for my podcast. So growing season with Jen. And I will be your host sa mga musunod pa nga podcast. So I hope no that wala na yung mga men and women, brothers and sisters out there na ma-pressure because feeling nila kay late na sila, feeling nila kay wala na sila mabuhat sa ilang self and they don't know what to do anymore. And then feeling nila kay kanang naulahin na sila because a lot of people are doing good, are really doing well in their own lives, no? Like, alo, may pa sila, kaya na sila anak, may pa sila, kaya na sila family, ngay ka sila kay nana sila car, nana sila house. Ako, feeling ako wala ko nag-move. I'm still here. But you know, maybe it's also time for you to sit down and reflect pod what are the things that I can do. If you have insecurities in yourself right now, ask yourself, what are the things that I can do to remove this insecurity, to fight this insecurity? Kasi ako before, I also do have those things. Kapag ka nai-insecure ako sa isang bagay, hindi ko hinahayaan yung sarili ko na ma-insecure na lang always. Hindi ko hinahayaan yung sarili ko na ma-insecure na lang forever. Na hindi ko sasabihin sa sarili ko na, wala ganito na lang talaga ako. Eto na yun, wala na akong magagawa. No, kapag ka nai-insecure ako sa isang bagay, iniisip ko kung ano kung pwede kong gawin na hindi na ako ma-insecure. So, yun. Maybe you can do that in your growing season. Maybe, if you would like, if hindi mo alam kung saan ako magsisimula, anong gagawin ko, maybe you can also start there. Saan yung mga insecurities mo that you can work on? Or, what are the things that you have to, personalities mo ba, decisions mo ba, mindset mo ba, doon, simulan mo doon sa part na yon and then madidiscover mo, ito yung part na gusto kong gawin for me to grow. So, let's just, take this time to grow and discover. And I would be so happy seeing men and women out there working sa sarili nila at hindi nila ila-allow kung ano yung mga negative na naririnig at na nakikita nila around. And just find a way positively kung ano yung mas pwede mong gawin, kung saan mo pwedeng i-work yung sarili mo. And sometimes you have to also ask, of course, do not forget to ask the Lord kung para saan ka ba talaga, kung ano yung purpose mo, bakit hindi ka pa married right now. Ano ba yung purpose ko, Lord? Bakit hindi pa ako nagkakaroon ng husband? Ano ba yung purpose ko, Lord? Bakit hindi ko pa nami-meet yung wife ko? Diba? Like, Lord, meron ka pa bang gustong gawin sa akin? Then, do not forget to ask the Lord in your growing season as well. Because at the end of the day, God created you and siya lang din yung nakakaalam kung ano yung purpose mo. So in your growing season, ask the Lord for your purpose. Do not just do it on your own. Na, ito yung gusto ko Ito yung kailangan kong gawin. But is that God's will for you? Yan din ba yung plan ni Lord for you in your growing season? So, brothers and sisters, never ever be afraid to ask the Lord. Ask God right now na, Lord, I'm already at this point of my life. Nasa 30s na ako, or I'm almost 30. Hindi ko pa rin nami-meet kung yung future husband ko, yung future wife ko. Hindi ko pa rin alam kung ano yung gagawin ko sa buhay ko. Ano ba talaga yung purpose mo sa akin? And then listen to God, and then I know, and by God's mercy and grace, He will also reveal it to you. So, I hope that everybody is working on their growth right now, and let's grow together. Thank you so much for watching, and see you again in our episode 2 next week. And yeah, let's grow together. Once again, this is Jen, and this is Growing Season Podcast with Jen. Bye!